fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hi there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. You guys wanted me to do my first impression video on the Super Meteor 650 and that became possible because I was in Goa for IBW and I could visit the Garage Cafe from Royal Enfield. Really good hospitality, best place to hang out for all bikers, good food, and the ambience is, you can say, 100 out of 10. And yeah, there the Meteor was sitting silently to the side and I didn't want to miss the opportunity. I wanted to hear the twin rumble. I could start it, I could capture it in the best way possible because it is one of the most beautiful cruisers that is going to be available for you and me to get your hands on and to swing your leg over soon. So how much is going to be the price? That is something, there's a lot of question mark, a lot of speculation, so we don't know, we got to wait it out. But I feel Royal Enfield, going by their reputation, are known to kill with the price. I mean, they go for the kill when it comes to the pricing. It's like hitting the last nail on the coffin. So don't be surprised if they price it on par with the 650 twins, which has had incremental increase, constant increase in their price over the years, compared to how competitively it was priced during the launch. And or it might be 10 or 20k slightly dearer because of a really tank-like build quality, and it feels like a cruise ship. And another thing is, will it sell? Like, is it the right time? Like, people are transitioning from ICE engines to EVs, and is this the right time for Royal Enfield to launch such a heavy, well-built cruiser? Do we have the market? Is the market ready to embrace this? Or what would have been a better option to launch at this time? Now, I personally feel they could have launched the Himalayan 650 twin, which could have really set the cat among the pigeons, because I mean, the biking fraternity is all set to explore. I mean, people have embraced exploring and adventure as a part of their lifestyle, and people want to just leave the world behind, get lost in the unknown in the weekend or every given opportunity. They want to take it to the mountains, take the roads less traveled. Adventure bikes or adventure is a newly found lifestyle, a fond lifestyle for the average Indian here. So a 650 twin Himalayan could have been a better option, I feel, rather than a laid back, relaxed cruiser which is heavily built around 241 kgs. So the mileage is not going to be all that great. And with the given skyrocketing fuel prices, whether people would choose to buy this over anything else available in the market is a big question. Now, keeping all the speculation aside, talking about the motorcycle itself, powering the bike, 648cc tried and tested parallel twin, which has proved its mettle of domination and endurance and what it's truly made up of in real world conditions over the years. So that is well sorted. Close to 47 PS, 52 Newton meters of torque, 6-speed gearbox. It all falls together in perfect harmony. Air-cooled engine. So typical parallel twin cruiser is what you come expecting, and that's what they give. I mean, the silhouette, the design silhouette is a proper low slung cruiser, which should have been from the first case. We've got the Thunderbird of the yesteryears, then the Thunderbird got a little revised styling, then we got the Thunderbird 350X, close to a low slung cruiser, then we got a proper low slung cruiser silhouette with the Meteor. And once they struck gold with the Meteor, they decided to go all guns blazing and go all out by offering a proper 650cc cruiser. And now that Harley is almost on the edge of extinction, this is the perfect option in terms of affordability, durability, reliability, low cost maintenance, and also giving you a satisfaction of owning a hardcore true blue cruiser. Now, talking about the rest of elements, what it packs, I've already talking about the first time premiering factors or features on the Super Meteor 650, like the LED headlamp is the first time Royal Enfield is introducing LED headlamp in its lineup. First time you're getting a super fat 150 section tire. First time Royal Enfield offering USD forks in a motorcycle. First time Royal Enfield offering the lowest seat height possible in its brigade. First time Royal Enfield is offering the longest wheelbase possible in its brigade. First time Royal Enfield offering the largest in class or largest in its portfolio 320 front disc. And also tank capacity is 15.7 liters. Teardrop tank highlights the cruiser character. Now the Speedo console has become the topic of debate. People wanted a revised cluster dedicated to the Super Meteor because it demanded that the character, everything else oozes quality, oozes originality, that they couldn't have just taken the Meteor's cluster and slapped it on the Super Meteor, which is super in every which way. So that is kind of a letdown. Hopefully they'll revise it in the upgrades, but for now you get the same cluster, same design as that of the Meteor cluster, and you also get tripper navigation from Google. So this is an overview about the motorcycle, and how it feels to ride is something different, but how it feels to look at, and when you sit on the bike you feel like a king. I mean, every element on this oozes quality. Unlike me not being happy with the Hunter's build quality, this one oozes quality right from the word go. Every element, every panel, every nut and bolt and screw screams quality, and the way they have fitted it, the way the fit and finish has come out is phenomenal, and that's what we expect Royal Enfield to get better and better and better in the days to come, and not compromise just to arrive at a price point. So the switches with the aluminum finish is absolutely stellar. My personal design element in the entire layout. And of course the LED headlamp looks super kick-ass, majestic, magnificent and imposing all at the same time. It looks classy and elegant. The paint schemes are again very neatly done. Also the tail lamp, reminiscent of the Meteor 350. The seat, low slung seat, double stitching oozes quality, and the host of accessories really doubles up the fun and takes the customer experience to a completely different level. So this really reminds us of the Indian Chief to some extent and oozes quality in every aspect. I hope the accessories are affordable instead of offering it at over the top prices, but apart from that, everything else seems to be like a perfect formula for yet another blockbuster for Royal Enfield. So until next time, this is Dino saying ciao. I just hope you enjoyed the cinematics of the Super Meteor 650. If you have, please do leave a like and a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more pure automobile content coming your way right here at Dino's Vault.